This night, you will see the goddesses of beauty. 26 Filipina beauties vying for Miss World Philippines. Hosted by Casey Montero, Victor Basa, and Carla Abellano. Anchored by Gwendolyn Ruey and Divine Lee. With the special participation of the cast of My Husband's Lover, who will represent the Filipina beauty to the world. Miss World Philippines. Sunday, 10 p.m. on SNBO.
Iba talaga. Ang tunay na sarap na matitikman lang sa Ice Cold Coca-Cola.
Kasama mo sa lambing, sa kulitan, sa kilig, sa bagong simula at matagal na pag-iibigan. Para sa mga kagamitang pambahay at pangsalo-salo, may isang pinagkakatiwalaan sa mahusay na paglilinis. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, Scotch-Brite.
Smells so good!
Wow! Kakaibang sarap! Kopiko Brown Coffee from Select Coffee Beans. Natural Kopiko Brown Sugar and delicious creamer.
Ooh, perfect!
Kopiko Brown Coffee, the #1 mixed brown coffee that makes you go mmm. Kopiko Brown Coffee makes you go mmm.
Ito muna, please. Basa pa yung favorite t-shirt mo eh.
Kapag tag-ulan, mag-Best Ever Downy. May quick dry formula at magical freshness bubbles. Kaya bilis tuyo ang damit.
Your magic Downy. Papunta na ba tayo?
Go lang ng go! Go only calls! Go only text! Low prepaid! Go only 25 now with only Viber. Mas only asaran, only kulitan. At only samahan! Go!
My skin is extra glowing because I take care of it inside and out with Myra Holistic Skincare. Start with Myra Capsule, followed by Myra Moisturizer. Myra Capsule goes deep within to renew damaged cells, while Myra Moisturizer nourishes skin on the outside. Myra Capsule and Myra Moisturizer, when used together, buo ang alaga sa skin. Kaya healthy, mas glowing, at mas tatagal ang ganda ng skin ko. Try Myra Holistic Skincare and see for yourself.
Don't let joint pains and muscle pains pull you down. Unleash the pro in you with Omega Painkiller Pro. It gives a soothing, cool effect to quickly relieve sore muscles and body pain and has a refreshing scent with Omega Painkiller Pro. Tanggalan ay panalo sa amoy.
Sa unang hatching at singhot ng aking anak, unang iniisip, Dysodrin. Trusted ko na sa sipon ng anak ko. #1 kasi most prescribed by doctors. Sa sipon ng bata, unang isipin, Dysodrin.
Ano nangyari? Ba't ganun?
Ano nakain niya?
Eh di ang bagong pansit para sa spicy chicken na nasal by Lucky Me!
Yeah! Ang sarap ng spicy chicken inasal, pinare sa paboritong pansit. New Lucky Me Pansit Pare Spicy Chicken Inasal.
Enjoy the best ever fragrance from Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable. With a unique fruity floral fragrance you just can't resist.
The best talaga ang bango ng hair ko. Nakakagigil.
Huh?
Mighty Pond.
Make happy happen! Happy energy at di sakipin. Ang happy, magagawa natin.
Kaya mag-Enervon para may energy at di sakitin so we can make happy happen.
Dapat mas mahaba ang pants ng bata para tipid.
And with Ariel,
I save by buying less powder.
Sa tough stains, 6 ng Brand X plus Bharat Brush. Di kaya maglinis, pero kaya ng isang Ariel. Ariel, todo linis, menos gastos.
kay daling manalo sa Tanduay Tanzanalo. Bumili lang ng Tanduay at maaaring manalo ng LED TVs, scooters at iba pa. May instant junior lapad din kapag nakumpleto ang mga Tanzan. Tanduay Tanzanalo.
No matter where you are, give in. No matter where you go, give in. Temptation will find you. Give in to Choco Mucho, now with a new look. Give in to Choco Mucho, pure chocolate pleasure.
Para sa pamilyang Pilipino, proteksyong Bioderm. Bioderm Germicidal Soap. Ikaw ang Pinoy, galing ng Pinoy. Bioderm ang sabon para sa pamilyang Pilipino sa presyong pagka-Pilipino. Pinapatay ng Bioderm ang 99.9% ng germs na nagdudulot ng sakit at body odor. Sa Bioderm na tayo.
Ang idol ko, ang idol ko, ang idol ko, meaty na meaty. Right to the bite. Bagay ang sarap ng cheese. Ang idol namin, Idol Cheese Dog. Ang laman ng cheese dog. Go, idol, go!
Subok ang tibay nating mga Pinoy. Nahangiting kumakayod. Nahangiti sa mabibigat na pagsubok ng buhay.
Kita sa ngiti, ang taglay nating tibay. Ngiting alaga ng happy. May maximum fluoride protection na nagpapatibay ng ngipin at nagbibigay pa ng fresh breath. Kaya anumang oras, handa tayong ngumiti. Ngiting Pinoy, ngiting happy.
Darating ang bukas, di dapat.
Bawat sili na bigay, di lang bitamina. Pamanang proteksyon sa sakit. Pamanang dadalhin sa pagtanda niya. Celine.
Guys, look at ang Judge na brick, ngayon, meron ng stick. New Judge Sticks. For new cool ways to chew. Spearmint and cherry sticks. Or Judge Bricks. Kaya chillax, mag-judge ka muna.
Finger and clover, they go together. Finger and clover, my love affair. Ano man ang status mo sa buhay, simple or it's complicated, rockstar or diva. Lover ng clover, student or teacher, big time or chill lang. Lover ng clover, my clover finger. Lahat sisingutin, sarap ay uubusin. Lover ng clover, my clover finger.
Simot sarap kasama ang clover.
Kakaiba ang bango niya. Downy Mystique. Be seduced with Downy's irresistible scent. Like wearing perfume every day. Downy Mystique.
Ako? The new face of Pantene? Exciting. Kaya lang nakaka-stress. Hindi po pwede ang rough, dry hair. Kailangan ng extra tulong. That's why I turned to Pantene.
With 80% more conditioning, Pantene helps repair damage and gives triple smoothness all day.
Need something extra? Trust Pantene. We'll shine.
Pantene Daily Intensive Conditioner. Buy a special Pantene pack and you can win a diamond.
P&G.
This merienda, enjoy the taste of real cheese and taste of milk. It's so creamy, so cheesy. Cheese Whiz makes
4 o'clock, cheese o'clock, cheese Whiz merienda. So cheesy, so creamy, masarap at masaya. 4 o'clock, cheese o'clock, cheese Whiz merienda. Spread! Approve! 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 Approve!
Make merienda time cheese o'clock with Cheese Whiz.
Sweetie, I made this for you.
No, thanks.
Stop sore throat before it gets worse. Gargle with Bactidol. It kills germs on contact and shields for up to 12 hours. So the only thing you have to give up is worrying. Bactidol stops sore throat in its tracks.
Mas makakatipid ka sa malaki? Tide Big Bag! Itong katumbas ng 50 sachets, ganito kalaki ang batitipid mo. Kasi sa Tide, habang lumalaki, lumalaki din ang tipid. Tide, bossing sa kaputian at katipiran! Kaching!
Haba ng hair! Pasado sa akin na ang bagsak na yung buhok para ka nagpasalon, ganon ka kasubok. Haba ng hair!